Hey, welcome to Fix-It. Today I will show you how to see Instagram activity log. Let's go. Your activity log on Instagram is a useful tool that lets you see all the actions you have taken on the platform, such as likes, comments, tags, and more. This feature can help you keep track of your interactions and engagement on Instagram. First of all, open up the Instagram app. Then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right. Then select your activity option. Now you'll see different options such as likes, comments, tags. You can tap on any of these options to see more details. For example, I can tap likes. And it will show me all the posts I've liked on Instagram. This is exactly how you can see the activity log on Instagram. Thanks for choosing Fix-It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.